morning, everyone. My name is Whiteside, and I'm here in a 100-year-old machine shop in downtown Roanoke. For those of you that have seen the Machine Shop YouTube channel, you are familiar with how it got to this point, at least for the most part. A lot of work has been happening recently. But for the past year, I've been kind of lost.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Might be the right word in the bureaucracy of getting a renovation permit for the space.
You know I don't speak Spanish. In English, please.
Again, the point of this project is to turn this building into my custom fabrication studio and video production office.
All right, we're all duly impressed.
I kept a lot of the old machines from the space, a lot of the belt-driven machines, a lot of the motor-driven machines. Lathes, there's a 12-foot lathe, 6-foot lathe. But as you can tell, the building's basically clear. I'll walk you around. This is a 4,000 square foot building. It was built in 1917, located right here in downtown Roanoke, a block from Big Lake Brewing and Tuco's.
I'm hungry. Let's get a taco.
Which is very convenient, I might add. It is the new year. It is January 8th or 9th, 2020. And it's time to do something. The plan is to build an office in this front corner up here, which will be the video production office and conference room, move a bathroom up here.
Me and your mama did it in a Rustler's Steakhouse bathroom when I was 17.
And then the rest of the space, at least for the time being, is gonna be open. And I can fill it however I want with tools and workbenches and things like that. So metalworking, woodworking, the plan originally was to put a wall down the middle and separate the two spaces. I'll probably still do that, but I don't exactly know how much space I want to dedicate to each side. So why put a wall in if I don't know where it's gonna go yet? As you can tell, it's pretty dirty still.
There's some lovely filth down here.
We gotta deal with the walls. The walls are filthy. And we gotta deal with the electrics. We gotta rip a lot of the old electric conduit and sketchy wiring out of the ceiling. I've got 2 electrical panels at Black Dog down the road that we salvaged from a commercial shopping center in Maryland. They're 2 big 225 amp boxes. So that'll be plenty to power the whole shop. We do have a renovation permit from the city, so it might as well start working.
All right, first things first, you guys got to type some of this shit out and get organized, for Christ's sake.
I got a buddy of mine, Wyatt. You guys remember Wyatt from the Machine Shop episode where we took down the mezzanine and a few other things. He's coming by today to help me with last scrap run, and then we will also be dealing with this this pile of scrap wood, which was basically old workbenches and shelves and stuff like that. That's a lot of rambling. Hopefully some of that helps you bring up to speed. I know it's been a long time since we did another video, or since we posted a video, and sorry about that, but again, that's life. Look everybody, it's Wyatt.
Nice.
So like I said, we're gonna do a scrap run today, and I think it's gonna be the last scrap run of the
Machine shop?
well, the phase 1.
Yeah.
I'll make scrap later.
More scrap load.
Yeah. But we're using the gantry system that was in the shop. Really cool chain hoist. And we just put the scrap in barrels and cut holes in the side. And Bob's your uncle.
Bob is my uncle.
Take it. All right, so after about a half day of work, Wyatt and I got the last big load of scrap to the scrap yard. This corner is now relatively clear, which is going to be where the office goes. Sewer update. Yay, everybody's favorite part of the video. So this building is more or less a rectangle, and the sewer, you can tell I'm walking to the back of the building, came out, or is here. And in this back corner, there was probably the most disgusting bathroom that I've ever seen. Wyatt, how was that bathroom?
How was it?
Yeah.
It was decrepit. It was like, it was horrendous.
So the pooper was there, and there was a sink here, and I dug this out to figure out where the sewer was going. And I was hoping, being that the bathroom was gonna be rerouted up front, and I'm standing here in the back of the shop, front over there, back right here. And as you can see, it continues into the ground that way, which is toward the
Front.
Yay! Meaning, there is a chance that if we dig out all the dirt that is for some reason in the corner of the shop by the electric panels, there's a chance we can hit the existing sewer line, which would be amazing because I need to tap into it and run it over to where I want the bathroom to be. You guys follow that? Some of it made sense. So if you like digging a hole, but there's a chance if we dig under here, we might find a sewer line. I just don't know how far I gotta dig because keep in mind, sewers need to have drop. So back there, the sewer was maybe 1.5 feet under the slab.
Oh, you got a great point. I hate the point you're about to make.
That means over here could be 2 or 3 feet underground. Wyatt, what have we found so far?
We're looking for a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
There's gonna be some bones in this here.
Bones could have been Aunt Jenny, or who was that guy?
Jimmy Hoffa?
Jimmy Hoffa.
I bet Jimmy Hoffa's body's buried down in here. If the pipe is here, it's gonna be deeper than the pipe over there. But by how much? Now that, folks, is the golden question.
Or where it is.
Or if it's even right here.
Could be right there.
Yeah, what if we're digging here, which we are, and the pipe is there? Aren't you excited?
I'm gonna get that T-Rexness.
Yeah, that's a rock. Looked like a pipe coming in the side. That's a rock. I think it is. Well, we haven't hit anything, and the hole's pretty deep. Dug about 2 feet down. Sewer's not there. There's a lot more ground that we should probably open up. I think it's about time I find a mini excavator.
Yeah, that would have been better.
Well, hey, you know, thanks anyway.
Yeah, so see you this weekend at my house?
He's got to dig a trench, and so I think I know who's going to help him. Anyway, that's all I got for today.
Yeah. Not much.
See ya.
Peace.